How to change language in Amazon Prime Video. So this is very easy. So for both mobile device via the Prime Video application or from the Prime Video's web version, the actual process is going to be the same. So if you head over to Prime Video's official site, you should actually notice this specific option that is currently the language that we're in, which is English. So if you just hover your mouse around this option, you should be able to see um, any kinds of languages available on this platform. Now there is also option B that you can do, in which you just have to log in first on your Prime Video account and then just simply click on your current profile icon right here and then head straight into account and settings. Now you should be able to see that languages field and you can choose your preferred language. And that's basically it. That's how easy you can change language on Amazon Prime Video.